Hi all, this is Dipali, this is in Dipali, and we are going to do HIIT workout today. What is HIIT now? HIIT is high intensity interval training. You can check out my previous video on HIIT, and in that video it was little basic level, and in this video we are going to increase some intensity in this, and some exercises we are changing in this. So you can certainly check out this video. Also, I want to tell you what is HIIT. Again, I want to repeat that HIIT is high intensity interval training. It increases your VO2 max. What is VO2 max now? VO2 max is body's maximum oxygen intake capacity in a certain time. So it is very must workout. You have to do it once a week or once in a fortnight at least. Okay, it gives a good push to your body, and even if your weight is got stuck, you can use this workout to give a good push and a good kickstart again, to give a good ignite again to your fitness regime and for the weight loss journey. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to tell you, I'm explaining this again, that we are going to do 3 rounds of this, and we'll be doing 5 exercises. Okay, so the 5 exercises are going to be the basic or the combination of some exercises. I'll make it easy for you. I'll be giving you 2 options. Either you can do this or this. That if you have some knee problem or any other issues, that if you cannot do one type, you can do the second type, the second variation of this. Okay. So without wasting any much time, let's start with the warm up first, which is very must, and then we'll be starting the actual workout. Let's go. This is going for 30 minutes altogether. All the best, and you don't have to stop in between. If I am giving you certain intervals for 30 seconds, I'll be giving you certain intervals. In that only you can wait. Otherwise, you cannot stop in between. Okay, it's a short time workout. Please don't stop. If you want a towel, if you want a water bottle, keep it handy. Keep your mat handy, and then start. Okay, let's go. So we are starting with the warm up. Before starting any activity, you have to do all the joint warm-up, which is very important to avoid injuries. You can do 8 to 10 counts of these. Warm up your wrists. Your elbows, shoulders. Take big circles, 8 counts each side. Let's move the ribs now sideways. Forward back. Hips. Forward back. Circles. Other way around. Stretch your quadriceps. While warming up, don't stress much on the stretches. The stretches are always better to do at the time of cool down, because your body is already warmed and your muscles are warm, so it is easy to stretch them. So don't stress. You can do certain kind of stretches in the warm up, but don't stress your body for the stretches in the warm up phase. Let your body get a little heated up first. Small jog. So you have to go gradually, as you cannot start like with the power movements in the first 5 to 10 minutes. You can move your arms. Split jumps. If you have knee problem, if you don't want to do this, you can go for this variation, but it has to be fast, like this. Quick, 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 quick. Jump again. Are you feeling the heart rate is going up a little bit? Yes. Jogging. Okay, the body is nicely warmed up now. We can start with the first round, and in the first round what we are going to do is this, knee up, just watch it first, knee up, step back, touch the floor, again, touch the floor, up and down. Let's do it quickly. 1, 2, 3. We'll be doing it for 30 seconds and don't stop in between now. I'll count for you all. Keep breathing. Taking deep breaths is very important in any workout, especially when it is challenging your heart, like HIIT workouts. Okay, let's change the leg. Okay, that's it. Second exercise is the burpees with push-up. Don't stop. Go. Jump. Jump together. Go for a push-up. Feet together again and jump up. Let's go. Come on, this is for 30 seconds only. Yes. One more. Okay, the next exercise is this. Sit in a squat position. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 30 counts. Yes, 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 yes. Hold it. One. Yeah, that's nice, that's nice. Okay, the next workout is this. Just palm under your shoulder, and from here, lift your knees up, return this side, kick here and come back. Here you go. continue, don't stop. The heart rate is up. Keep breathing. Okay, the next exercise is this. Go, a squat, jump, wide squat, jump, wide squat, jump. Okay, breathe, breathe, breathe. You can have a sip of water and come back. Get your breath back, and we are going for the second round in 30 seconds. If it is not challenging your heart, it is not HIIT. So if you're out of breath, it's good. Get your breath back and we'll come back for the second round. Yes. All are ready? Let's go for the second round. Knee up and touch the ground. Right leg first. Seconds only. Take deep breaths. Change leg quickly. Last one. And now we go for burpees. Quick push up. Let's go. A jump. Down. Let's go for push up. Keep your back straight. And up. Last one. Okay, and the next. Here we go. Palms under your shoulders. Lift your knees up and go. Kick. Keep breathing. Okay. The last exercise of second round is Get your breath back, have a little bit of water and come back. We are starting the third round in 30 seconds. Come on guys. All are ready for the last round? Ready? Right leg first. Let's go. If you have the knee problem, you can do it in halfway. You don't have to go all the way down. Change your leg. Take deep breaths. Last two. Last one. Okay, burpees with push-ups. Let's go. A jump. If the full push-ups are difficult for you, you can do the modified push-ups like this and jump. I'm repeating the modified push-up. As you can touch your knees down and do the same. One more. Next exercise. Here you go. Kick. Don't lift your hips up. Stay low. Last one. Okay. The last exercise for today. Here you go. Smile. Roll over. Yes. Don't sit immediately. You have to walk around and you have to do some stretches for cooling down. Just move. Get your breath back. When the heart rate is elevated like this, you cannot stop in between abruptly and sit down. You can slow down slowly. You can gradually take the heart rate down. Otherwise, it is bad for your heart. Now you can have a sip of water. Take your breath back and come back for the stretches. Keep your body hydrated always at the time of workout, and even if during the daytime you will keep sipping little bit of water every time. Keep your body hydrated well. Okay, now we are ready for the stretches. It's the best time to stretch your body because your muscles are already warmed up, your body is warmed up. Now it is free to do all kind of stretches, and stretches are also to avoid injuries and give you the flexibility to your body for any kind of movement. Okay? Workout is just not for weight loss or fat loss. It is about flexibility. It is about the balancing yourself in any condition. It is about the mental stability and mental health. That's why we do yoga also. That's why we do pranayama as well. Okay? It's not just weight loss, weight loss, weight loss. It increases your immune system. It makes your immune system strong. It retards aging. Okay? Because it releases whenever you do these kind of workouts, dancing type like Zumba or these kind of workouts, you feel great after the workout because it's done. That kind of thing, whenever you feel that today's workout is done, it gives you the immense pleasure of, yeah, today's workout is done, and it releases the hormone like endorphin. Okay, it makes you feel better. It makes you happy, and it makes the day beautiful later. Okay, let's stretch. So endurance, flexibility, and strength, power, and balance. Everything is important, not just weight loss, weight loss, weight loss. Okay? Weight loss should be fat loss should be the consequence of your workout and proper diet. But you have to keep your lifestyle properly, like proper sleep, proper rest, proper food in time. Should whatever you're eating, eat on time. That is also very important. And no excuses for work. Stretching for triceps. Mere weight loss with just the fat diets and all, just doing cardio is not going to help, because that kind of weight loss will happen quickly, but that will be the muscle loss as well, and eventually you'll be putting on fats more, the double fats, because you're losing out your muscles. It is very important as we are aging, 2% of our body muscle percentage decreases per year. So it is always important to keep the muscle mass intact and to increase it if it is possible with a good workout and food. You can do that as well. Also, whenever you do your workout, it retards aging. You can slow down the aging process. What else you want? You'll be getting good skin, you'll be getting good hair, you'll be getting good body with workout and diet. Why not doing it? Let's do. One leg on the other. Let's do Bhujangasana. Put your feet together, chest just besides your shoulders. Push your hips down to the floor. Feel the stretch. Let's do Dhanurasana. Okay, that's it for today, guys. If you can do a proper relaxation or a breathing or pranayama after this, or any kind of after our Zumba session also, if you get time for at least for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, sit and do some meditation, some breathing exercises. That helps a lot, let me tell you. Bye. See you.